Hello guys, so dito na naman si Stock Mentor Neil at nagla-live para sa inyong lahat mga kababayan from different parts of the world. Kumusta kayong lahat? I hope that everybody is fine. Dito ako ngayon, it's just a quick video. I will be showing to you some nice charts from the anticipatedly bullish market, which is all about the cement stocks. So ito guys, yung number one is CHP kasi pinag-uusapan to ngayon. Ito yung weekly chart ng CHP at eliminate ko muna yung mga to para hindi kayo ma-confuse. So weekly chart CHP, makikita nyo guys na nandito yung previous high. If you extend it to the left, this is the pivot in the left side. So this is basically the main resistance. So I would be looking at taking profit here. And another thing is that there is also dynamic resistance brought by the BB Moon channel or the EMA 50, which is the equivalent of that. So this will be an important point to break, and if it breaks, this will expose this. And here, napaka strong resistance ito. This will be the third time. I mean the third time, the first, second, and the third that it will be retested. If it will break, it will expose this 3.55 resistance, and that resistance is basically in confluence with this MA 100 in the weekly chart. So if the breakout happens here, what is the upsides? It's really amazing high, 25% for CHP. So abangan yan guys. But if the breakout won't happen here, what will possibly happen guys is that it will still consolidate here in this big ascending triangle. But this is really a nice bullish pattern in the weekly chart. So for those na hindi pa nakasabay kay CHP, I would be looking at, like me actually, I did not buy CHP yet kasi maraming magagandang stocks which has better fundamentals than CHP. So in this area will be the area where I will be looking at buying CHP whenever it consolidates, and just moving my stop just below this diagonal support. So that is my play for CHP. Look at the bigger trend, so I don't like to trade in a very small time frame because I don't have time to monitor my stocks. So nagigising na ako dito sa Europe and it's already 1 p.m. in Philippines, kaya the timing is not really good for day trading, especially that I have work. So ayan guys, you can see the daily chart. Eliminate muna natin yung mga drawing tools. The candle is meeting this 200-day moving average. Let's make it sure. So yeah, so you can see previously ito nagkaroon ng rejection. Also here, rejection. So most probably at the third time it will already break out, and it's very obvious here the big piling of volume. So abangan natin yan. So previously nagka-reject dito dahil nagkaroon ng negative news about CHP. They had a negative annual earning from the last year. So looking ahead at CHP, even though the news are telling you to be very bullish about the cement industry, but for CHP, remember that it has some kind of upcoming headwinds, so or some risk that it will face in a very near future. Say it is scheduled to release the issuance of additional shares. And guys, for the record, historically, yung mga companies nag-issue ng additional shares after it is finalized, usually nag-sell off yung stock. And if you will ask me why is it so, it's because issuing additional shares basically means that the company really needs finance to finance its needs or projects or service the loans, which is quite negative. So what I like in a company is really a company which is buying back shares. This is really one of my favorite. But those who are issuing more shares, that's quite a negative outlook. So that's the case for CHP. So ayan. So let's one more thing. Yeah, so sorry. So yung wholesale naman guys ay medyo from this chart alone is really in parabolic state. In momentum, may volume. Pero it's really in parabolic state. You can see, lampas na siya ng 80. So the mindset here guys is not about buying, it's about selling. Okay? But if you have time to monitor your stock, you can do momentum trading here kasi it's already really in a momentum phase. Let's check the 1 week. So 1 week really looks nice kasi kaka-breakout na yan ng MA 200. And I have a rule that if the breakout happens, I always anticipate a pullback. And the pullback, this is the time when I look for new buy setup, and then I buy that buying pattern. So with this, I won't buy the stock. But for momentum traders, it's possible for momentum traders to put the box here. If the price goes above here, you buy, but you set the stop below this, the low of this candle. So what is the risk? If you are not tried, if bumaba siya, that is minus 8%. So ang tanong, kakayanin mo ba yung minus 8%? So pag hindi, lower your time frame. So now we have only 3 bars play here. So pag mag-breakout, you buy and then you set the stop below the low of this candle. So maybe around here. So what is the risk? Pag mali ka, again, it's the same, minus 8%. So it's very, very high risk, knowing that it's already parabolic. The mindset is about selling, so why not to wait, right? Or hanap ng ibang stock. So by the way, if I will wait, I will be looking at here or here. So I will look for a new buy setup. Ayan, so Eagle naman. So Eagle dati ko itong favorite, pero I don't know ngayon, medyo matagal-tagal ko na rin itong hindi tinitingnan. Tingnan nyo yung Eagle, nagkaroon ng malaking sell-off dito, around April 30, at talagang rejection candle to, napakataas ng week. And after that, walang volume, manipis. Look at the earning. Maganda naman yung naging net income nila, first quarter. So that's very high, 49%. Yung annual income nila, that was really nice, decent 12.5%. So very nice. So kung babalikan natin sa CHP, ano ba yung naging annual nila? So the first quarter, negative. So that's, so the annual ito yung nagpabagsak kay CHP recently, yung negative 241%. So that's really the negative negative thing with CHP kasi meron tong mga butal Hindi kagaya ng Eagle or HLCM na talagang consistent siya. Positive palagi yung mga niya, quarter earning. Hindi pala. Si Eagle na yung tintok ko, hindi si HLCM. Okay. So pulling the attention of Instagram kasi ito hindi nawawala to sa so there is no option for the user to eliminate this unless mahanap mo siya dito kung nasaan yung niya. Kung nakalimutan kung nasaan, di nag-flag siya ng mga dito icon. So calling the attention of Instagram. So paki-correct lang itong software bug. Okay, so nakikita nyo hindi siya disappear. So that's why we need to reload our page kasi nakakano siya sa gabal. Okay, so balikan natin yung one day. Saan tayo? Sa HLCM pala nun, tapos ngayon Eagle na. So tingnan nyo, that is positive earning, 49%, 12.5% sa annual, 8%. So very consistent si Eagle. Although yung this quarters medyo okay lang siya. Pero they ended the year with 12.5%. So first quarter naman, 49%. So ito pa lang guys, nagpapahayag ito na with this quarter compared to the previous quarter, napakaliit ng demand ng cement, which was really true according to the researches that we read recently about the cement industry last year was quite weak. But this year, you see the Eagle revenue was really 49.25, and that is 5 times than the previous quarter. So this is the reason why bullish outlook na yun yung cement industry. So kung ganon, maganda pala tong si Eagle. Let's check the weekly. Okay, so kukunti pa lang yung candles niya. Mayroon sa weekly candle, so meron tayong main resistance here. Okay, so obvious naman, di ba? That's really the main resistance. And aside from that, we are making this diagonal support. This is higher high, higher low, higher high, and if there will be a deep pullback, ito yung magandang buy zone. So now, another way to buy it if the stock is breaking out this resistance, so that will be a buy signal. So that's the one with perspective natin. So another way to buy is really kung medyo hindi ka mainipin at medyo patient ka. Dito pa lang sa consolidation, nag-accumulate ka na. But you need to make it sure that below this level, you are out para hindi lumaki yung hipit. Kasi although mayroon pang buying opportunity here, we don't know yet whether it will really bounce or it will break down. So let's now go to the one-day chart. So the same thing special. So while it is consolidating here, you start buying, and then you just add more if it breaks out with confirmation on the resistance. But take note that as you can see, nagkaroon pa lang ng malaking sell-off, malaking sell volume here last April 30. So now, ang abangan natin ay kailan magkakaroon ng volume spike dito. Kasi pag walang volume spike, yung nag-trade niyan, tayo lang, mga retailers. So, hindi tayo makakapag-akyat niyan. So, kailangan natin ng institutional buying. Right, so nangyari recently institutional selling, so it's not good. So we need to wait still for Eagle. Okay, so basically from the three, CHP has a better technical setup. We are now meeting with the MA 200, so expect some consolidation first before upcat or pullback. Is also pullback to 2.2 is also possible. All right, so that's it, guys. I hope you like it, and I hope you enjoyed. For those na hindi nakapanood, I just review the video in my page, and please follow me on my FB page so you can be updated with my new FB Live videos, and I will also upload it in my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. That's all, guys. God bless inyong lahat, and good luck sa trading.